In this video, we will guide you through on how to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat. So let's say you're working on some documents and you just want to highlight specific sentence or specific words, then this video might be useful for you. So let's dive right in. So also disclaimer, in this video, I don't know why the toolbar might not be visible. Okay. All you have to do is just go to the toolbar, but sadly you cannot see toolbar in this video due to some technical issue. So first step is go to the toolbar, and at the third place there's an icon, and it says highlight. If you hover onto that, you pointer into that icon, that is on the third place, it says highlight selected text. Simply tap into that option and tap in highlight. Now you can choose the sentence that you want to highlight. Let's say I want to choose this one, send one email with one link to reviewers, and there you go. And this is basically how you highlight. So right now it's an orange color. Let's say you're not a fan of orange color, you want to change your color. There is colors available. At the very bottom you can see a circle icon that says highlight color. Let's change it into more like lavender, and let's choose a sentence. Okay, this one, and there you go. So this is basically how you highlight. Let's say I wanna choose specific sentence like commenting, word like commenting. Okay, so this is basically how you highlight your text on Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking our video. Thank you for watching.